Hello guys, this is the episode number 3 for the CNC control blocks building. And after the connections, all the connecting wires were put on here on the wire bracket. When using this type of bracket, you need to remain some excess length of lead wire, so, and also the routing the route longer, the use of the lead wire will be more. But anyways, it's not a big deal. And the CNC control board is put on here. This is the missile card 7. This is 7i 76E eternal missile card, and you can carefully see it. I put on a transparent covers on the top of it, and here is the screw hole for putting on screws. This is for me it's an expensive card, so I don't want to take caution in it, not to burn it or some foreign conducting material drop down on this surface. So here is a plastic cover, and only this connector will exposed for taking out. And for this electrical connections, explain something. Here is end connector to fix on the rail, to fix this part from moving sideways. There is also one on this end, this tab. For me, I'm not an electrical technician, and I'm only an electronic and mechanical engineer, so I first learned this and use this type of parts or devices. The next one is a connector, ground connector. It will have a metal clip on the rail, and the rail is go to this enclosure. So this wire is ground wire, green one, and another ground wire come here and go to this connection bracket for other device grounding, for example this VFD, and also for the power cord socket here. There's not much here. And I explained these switches before. This is the fuse clip. I have not put yet I'm not yet put on the fuse. Fuse should be put on here and press down. This is a short length fuse. And this is the genuine connector. Different taps. The thicker one will be for high current taps. This one, thinner one, is for thinner wires. And one thing is the connection between the adjacent bracket, this wire bracket, this metal pieces is used to connect them if they are same potentials. So you can see the brown wire is the live, and this all the live lead wire for the transformer and etc. devices. This blue line is the earth. The earth one also connect together for this wire, so put on here, and also the provider's long screw here pass through the hole and connect to the brackets. And here is the DC voltages and also DC ground. And one thing I mentioned in this episode is this VFD control boxes. This is the HY brand. It's a quite good VFD, and this control block or small panel can be taken out. And originally it was connected by this short rainbow color flat wire, and this socket, this plug is directly plugged into this socket and only take out in a distance, shorted distance. And now put on a long lead wire. This is 10-piece lead wires in this cord, and I make the connector here and plug in here. You can see it's not very good because my rainbow wire is thicker than the original one, and the connector plastic broken. Anyway, and on the end of this long length cord, I put on a plug here and put on a socket here, so I can connect it in this cord is about 2 to 3 meters in length, and this I will remotely control the VFD. Now I turn on the control box. Firstly, plug in, of course, and turn the main power, and it's ready. The green light indicator, and I switch on this we have this switch. Delay a short length of times. When in the VFD electronic controller, I connect the spindle wire UVW to the spindle, this, and the control box wire will plug in. You can see this was lights up, so you can start running, and you can see the machine spindle there. I bring this box. Finally, this box will be located on the panel. The panel will be put on the side of the machine, and the control box is at the back of the machine. And here I start the running. You can see slowly run. Increase the speed 1400. About the half the speed, the maximum. Let's go to maximum. So this is long lead cord, long cord. It must be noted that I stop it first. There is no interference. I try to run it maximum first. Now try to other function. Try to reverse it. Stop down and reverse. It's 2500, 1000. I reverse it. It doesn't respond. It doesn't respond. Stop it and reverse. And I need to stop it and reverse. It seems the operation is this. I stop it first and then reverse. It seems same in clockwise direction. Stop, reverse, same direction, point. Now this response. Now this time it responds. If I bring this control panel near the machine, it don't respond. I've seen some interference there. I bring it on here. I don't know if this operation was affected. I stop it. So this operation okay. And I change the shift. This now rotation, measurement in rotation, shift. Okay. Voltage. This is now the frequency. Let's run it. If I halve it, 115. Shift it. This current 0.9 ampere. Shift it. Rotation 6000. Stop it. Open. Stop it. Anyway, I will continue to test it, how the reverse direction functioning. And one thing is that the connecting cord for them, this, there must be a shield cord. It is a wire masses and also thin aluminum foil shielding, as well as the spindle power cord, the cord for the spindle via the UVW wire. This is also the shield wire to prevent the interference. And thank you for your watching.